Today we're going to be checking out the D-Day 75th anniversary £2 commemorative coin from the Royal Mint. And this is how it arrives in the Royal Mint handbag, front and back. And I'm going to do my usual thing now where I'm going to take mine out of its packaging so that if you've bought this in this presentation and don't want to open it yourselves, you can see all the information that you get inside. So that there is the front and the back. We'll check out the coin specifications in a second. And it's presented in a cool way. It's like a top secret confidential folder. So what we'll do now is just get on and have a look inside before we check out the coin specifications and the coin itself. So I'm just gonna move along slowly, but if I'm moving too quickly, feel free to pause and read anything at your own pace. And then back round to the other side. And then the back and the front again. Now there's just a little bit of information on the back before we look at the coin specifications. And if you're watching this video on the day that it actually got released, you'll notice that it's the 6th of June. So today is actually the 75th anniversary of D-Day. Now let's have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel, the outer alloy nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams. Diameter 28.40 millimeters. The obverse designer Jody Clark and the reverse designer Stephen Taylor. And then the edge inscription, the longest day. And the quality, of course, is Brilliant Uncirculated. Now let's have a look at the coin itself, and we'll start off with the obverse of the coin, just to see that Brilliant Uncirculated finish. Absolutely stunning. Now let's check out the reverse design. There it is in all its Brilliant Uncirculated glory. Absolutely stunning. Such a simplistic design. D-Day 75th anniversary 2019. But absolutely beautiful. I'm a massive fan of this coin. If you saw the video that I did before, you can actually get this over at Westminster Collection as well, or Change Checker, but they do it on a Brilliant Uncirculated blue carded edition, and they also do one so that you can put it into your History of Britain's pack. So there we go. Let me know in the comment section below, have you got this coin? And if so, did you buy it in Brilliant Uncirculated, or did you get any of the other finishes? Let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.